Hi, I'm Simon from Josco, and today I'll be running you through Josco's range of industrial brooms. Josco offer a range of brooms to suit trade, workshop, engineering and outdoor requirements, and are proud to have Australian made in their range. Josco brooms are now designed with extra roll fibres on each broom edge, which allows the customer greater lifetime and a better result when sweeping. Whether it's a wood back or plastic back broom, Josco offer a range in both. Various hair types in smooth, medium and hard to suit from small to large areas, as well as to suit various applications where heat, oil, moisture and chemicals may be present. Josco also offer an extensive range of handles and fittings to suit our brooms, which include both wooden and aluminium handles. For those extra cleaning needs, we also have squeegees, mops, buckets and other general cleaning products such as dustpans. So, if you're after a broom to suit a specific application, Josco has a product for you, offering quality, assurance, satisfaction and knowing that you're getting a product which is going to last.